What's going on, family? Samuel Genus here with Predict Your Business, where I help entrepreneurs just like you wear less hats and grow their business in a more predictable way. I'm here at TSP Live here in Atlanta, Georgia, hosted by Lamar Tyler, and this is a wonderful conference for African American entrepreneurs who's looking to grow their business 2x, 5x, 10x their business. But let me cut through the chase because I want to get back into the conference. But basically, conferences, it's important that you understand what a conference is. So a conference is basically a large gathering where they provide different kinds of insights, testimonials, motivational things, educational tips, strategies, and things of that nature. But one of the things that a lot of conferences don't do is they don't get in the weeds, right? And that's because it's not designed to get into the weeds. Conferences are mainly designed to bring people together, to network, to meet people, to expand your circle. And definitely there should be some great nuggets, and there's some great nuggets here. But one of the things that I've noticed is that people who come to conferences, a lot of them are facing challenges in their business that need to be solved now, right? Some of them are sinking and they need a life jacket right now. They have a marketing funnel problem and they need that marketing funnel fixed. They're trying to launch, a campaign and they need and they don't know how to do it. And they may come to a conference like this and they may feel a little bit disappointed that, oh man, I didn't get all the answers that I need. Well, the good news is that the room is filled with people who have the answer. You see, I often tell people that your problem is not technology. Your problem is actually, you're just missing the right people, all right? And so when you come to conferences like this, the right people exist. And so here's what I want to offer you, because I'm one of the people who exists at this conference. I want you to click on the link below because I want to invite you to a 2-day workshop. This is for anybody who's trying to launch an email campaign or a marketing funnel or sales funnel, anyone who's trying to launch their product or their service. You're trying to put videos together, but you're not a video editor. You're trying to put a marketing funnel together, but you're not a person who knows how to build marketing funnels. You're trying to put, an email campaign together, but you don't know how to write the ad copy. Well, I want to offer you a 2-day workshop. Now remember that this is not a conference that I'm offering you. This is a workshop, so you must bring your laptop. We're going to be in a place with really good internet access. And we're going to do it right here in Georgia. I actually spoke to some of the people here at this conference, and while we was basically talking around like 12 o'clock midnight yesterday, we established this offer. And so this is what I want to offer you, because I'm going to bring my video editors, my videographers, I'm bringing my photographers, I'm bringing my marketing funnel builders, and I'm bringing a marketing strategy strategist, someone who can help take what's in your mind and create a blueprint on paper. See, remember what I told you, you're not missing technology, you're missing people who have the skill sets you need. So in this 2-day event that will be held here in Georgia, we haven't picked the place yet, so it's still kind of new in development. We haven't picked the place yet, but we're going to do it here in Georgia, and it's going to be the week of July 1st, just for 2 days. I think it's going to be on a Monday or a Tuesday. That's what we have so far. But if you're interested, just fill out the link below to basically say I'm interested. Give me your name, your phone number, your email, and let me know you're interested so that I can send you more information on this event. We're going to do it quick, and it's going to be 2 days, 8 hours each day. We'll probably go over 8 hours, but in this event, you're actually going to get your funnel built. We're not teaching you how to do it. We're going to help you do it right in the meeting. But this seating is limited. We're not going to take no more than probably 12 or 15 people in this meeting, in this workshop, because it's going to require a lot of one-on-one. So if you're interested, fill out the link below, and basically let me know you're interested. Give me your name, your phone number, your email, and so that I can get back in touch with you and give you the rest of the details. All right, this is Samuel Genus with Predict Your Business. I will see you in the next video. Hopefully I'll see you in the conference here as well. All right, you take care.